Do you want to get Windows 11 23H2 update? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check for updates. Type check for updates in the Windows search and select the top result. Turn on the toggle for get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Then restart your pack and again check for updates. See if you can see the Windows 11 23H2 updates now. The update may not come to everyone at once but should roll out soon and be available for all users. So you may need to wait for a few days. If not, then move on to the next solution. Method 2. Install Windows 11 23H2 update via Windows Insider. If you cannot see the update, you can also sign up for Windows Insider. Windows Insider gives you early access to the Windows 11 versions for testing them out. But be careful about installing the updates as the early Windows builds may have bugs and issues. To sign in to the Windows Insider, press Windows plus I keys to open Windows settings. Go to the Windows Update option and click on the Windows Insider Program option. Click on Get Started. When asked, link your account. Sign into your Microsoft account with the proper credentials. Then click on the Continue button. Click on the Release Previews option from the next window. Read the instructions given and keep clicking on the Continue buttons from the consecutive windows. If asked to restart, restart your PC. Again, click on the Windows Update option. Install Windows 11 23H2 and restart your system. Once your Windows is upgraded to the latest version, it should integrate the new changes and features as per the 23H2 version. Method 3. Install from Microsoft Update Catalog. You can also download and install the Windows September 11 update from the Update Catalog. To do so, follow these steps. Visit the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for Windows 11 Update 23H2. Click on the download option to install the update manually. Click on the provided link for the MSU package and click on Close. Next, double-click on the MSU file and the Yes button to install the update. Click on the Restart Now option to start the procedure. Once done, you will be able to see all the new features from the update. And there you have it. 3 methods to get Windows 11 23H2 update. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.